If you're looking for a new pair of roller skates, and you're not sure where to start, you've come to the right place. We've researched the top women's roller skates available on the market today. In this video we will discuss women's roller skates which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. C7 Skates Cute Roller Skates. These roller skates are available in 4 pastel colors and designs: Aquamarine, Lemon Pop, Peachy Keen, and Wonderland. They resemble vintage roller skates and feature a 1-inch heel as well as PVC boots for ankle support, which makes them great for beginners. These roller skates are designed for indoor and outdoor use, and have 58mm wheels, faux leather material, and durable and lightweight aluminum plates. They are very comfortable, and will make you stand out, whether you wear them in your neighborhood, or at the park. Users report that they are comfortable, not too expensive, and solidly built overall. However, there have been some complaints that the skates are not as flexible as real leather, so it's a little more challenging to tighten the laces. They're also a little narrow for wide feet, so you may want to size up. About this item. Retro skates, Q-Quad roller skates feature a 1-inch heel for a fun, vintage feel. Ankle support, structured PVC boot gives plenty of ankle support for beginners learning to skate. Indoor-outdoor use, 83A urethane gives plenty of grip on both indoor and outdoor surfaces. Number 2. Moxi Skates Lowly Roller Skates. 4 of the experts we spoke to recommended buying skates from Moxi Skates, which is a newer brand founded by Michelle Stalin, aka Estrogen, and manufactured by Riedell, one of the oldest skate producers in the United States. Handmade in the USA, these leather beauties come in all colors of the rainbow, says professional roller skater Candice Hayden, co-founder of La Roller Girls Entertainment. The basic lowly skates include a Powerdyne nylon plate, Quick-Abec 5 bearings, and soft gummy outdoor wheels, which are better for rough terrain, cruising, or slippery surfaces, Hayden explains. The wheels that come with these skates are designed for heavy-duty street skating, and can handle ramps, cracks, and concrete, so Hayden suggests buying an extra set of wheels for indoor skating, because, with 2 sets, these are a great all-around skate option for beginners all the way through intermediate, she says. Rauscher also likes the lowly, adding that the skate suede boot feels so comfortable as soon as you put your foot into it. And if you're having a hard time choosing a color, roller dance choreographer Morgan West, who also works at the Moxi Skate shop, loves her pineapple pair. When it comes to fit, West says that generally you want the skate to fit very snug and move with your foot. Most skates come in men's sizes, so if you're a woman, you should order about a size and a half down from your everyday shoe. And once you buy your skates, Hayden and West stress that it's important to check the tightness of the wheels of the truck, which are usually not loose enough fresh out of the box. Number 3. Sure Grip Stardust Glitter Roller Skate. Even though the frames are suitable for spinning and turning, if you're really looking to bust a move, Rauscher suggests Sure Grip's funkier Stardust skates, which feature a glitter boot, also available in black, gold, blue, or pink, with a groovy 70s roller disco vibe to match your dance routine. Rauscher adds, the boots are vegan, and the skate comes with adjustable toe stops. The Stardust also comes with harder, smaller wheels that make executing dance moves, such as turning and gliding, even easier. About this item. Stardust Glitter Vinyl Boot with Rock Nylon Plate. Abec 3 bearings and matching color Carrere toe stop. Special Stardust Wheel for outdoor or indoor use. Available in full sizes only. Roll up and show up in the new Sure Grip Stardust Skate. This cool new glitter skate will take you from the streets to the wood, and all surfaces in between with great comfort, style and performance. Number 4. Chicago Leather Lined Rink Roller Skate. For the best high-quality roller skates, make sure that you do not ignore this product. Among others, this is exceptional because of the support that it provides. This can be attributed to its high top, which gives better support compared to those that are low. The lacing system is also great for providing additional support. Aside from support, stability and comfort will also be great. It comes with urethane wheels, which are not only long-lasting but also great in providing the traction that is needed on different surfaces. Meanwhile, there are semi-precision bearings that will allow you to roll fast and smoothly. Your comfort is going to be assured when wearing this pair. You can easily adjust the lace to make it tight or loose based on your personal preference. Lastly, as a top-rated pick for indoor-outdoor roller skates, it is a good thing that there is an aluminum base plate that is not as heavy as those that are made of other materials. Pros: lightweight and flexible. Delivers superior comfort. good support. Number 5. Riedell Quad Roller Speed Skates. Wrapping up our list of the best quad roller skates for women is this model with easy lacing system, making it effortless to adjust the fit depending on your foot size and what you are most comfortable with. To add, it also comes with a Velcro enclosure for a snugger fit. To deliver great performance, it is also designed to provide exceptional safety. It stays secure in the feet while you are skating. It has great traction regardless of the surface where it is used. The latter is possible because of the polyurethane wheels with a strong grip. More so, with the Beck 5 bearings, it will have an exceptional roll on this surface. They are made of chromed steel and are polished to protect from external elements that can speed up wear. Pros: easy lacing system. Tough wheels. Comes with a low and snug fit. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box for products links.